health benefits of iron and supplement. Benefits: boosts hemoglobin Formatio, improves muscle function, increases brain function, regulates body temperature, alleviates anemia, fights chronic diseases, reduces anemia in women. Neurotransmitter synthesis, reduces predialysis anemia, eliminates fatigue, boosts immunity, promotes energy metabolism, supports organ systems, better sleep, improves concentration. Nature's Plus Chewable Iron Review. Description: high potency, with vitamin C and herbs. Dietary supplement. Gluten-free. Quality: natural supplements. Vegetarian. Nutritional support for healthy blood, natural energy production and overall well-being. Suggested use: as a dietary supplement, 1 tablet daily. May be chewed or allowed to dissolve slowly in the mouth. Other ingredients: fructose, natural flavors, raspberry, cherry, ferrous fumarate, stearic acid, magnesium stearate, stevia, rose hips, rosa canina fruit, beet, beta vulgaris root, and silica. Free from artificial colors, preservatives, yeast, paint, soy and milk. Warnings: keep tightly clothed in a cool, dry place. Accidental overdose of iron-containing products is a leading cause of fatal poisoning in children under 6. Keep this product out of reach of children. In case of accidental overdose, call physician or poison control center immediately.